Look, I have a shed. Ignore the ramp. The ramp is going to be changed and whatever. But at the moment, it is functional to move things from ground to inside, whatever. And I've got the old shocks from the XJ are going to be my door handles. So I've got those painted and they're whatever. I've got half of them painted. But welcome to the shed. Obviously, it's not completely finished because I've got to put the insulation in, and the toolbox has got to go somewhere, and the XJ's got to go probably over here because this bike isn't where it's fully going to be. Remember, Mark, block that out. Remember, block this out. But, what? Nope, that's the outside light. Inside light. I've got 2 LEDs. I've got plugs there, and I've got a plug up here for the lights. You can't see it. There it is. And these awesome little lights actually too have their own little plug right on the end. So I've got 2 more plugs there. So the plan is, obviously, I'm going to put said insulation in said holes in wall, and then put something on the walls, sheetrock or who knows what and whose. And then get a couple power strips so I have, you know, more plug power, or more power for, oh, it's cold out, whoo, boy howdy. So I have more power for things and such and funds. And then I'm going to try and find some speakers, and I'm going to put one in each corner so that while I'm down here I can have music playing instead of just having to wear earphones or headphones, whatever. So the whole point is, yeah, this is going to be where I create. It's really nice because it's just going to be a place where I can put that bike and have it in its own space. It's probably going to be over here, maybe. I don't know. I have to figure out spacing and stuff because I think the toolbox is going to go over there, and I'm going to make a little table on top of it. So yeah, and then the, you know, project bike's gonna go in that end over there because obviously that's gonna be the one that doesn't move very much. So this bike is gonna be towards the doors. So yeah, and then obviously stands, and that's old pieces and parts, mirrors, blinkers to the XJ, and that's, you know, whatever. But there's obviously some wood still that needs to be taken out, and these need to be put up like I said, and that needs to be figured out, and I'm gonna have to figure out like shelving for this kind of stuff. Obviously it's super dirty because it came out of like the worst place in the world. Yeah, you know, wheel cleaner, oh no, chain wax, what am I talking about? Wheel cleaner and some leftover oil from, it's like 3.5 quarts or whatever it is, so I have leftover oil from the last 2 times I've changed it. And then obviously there's some space up there. And that's the old seat for the XJ, which I've got some more space up there to put some stuff. So, you know, that's just, I'm never going to use it. That's going to be sold because it's super perfect. It's just very heavy and I don't want it. So yeah, this is where I'm going to be building things. And obviously my plan is, again, like I said, put speaker in the corners, whatever. And then on that wall, I think I'm going to find like a little, well, not little, like a 30-inch smart TV or something. So I can hang on that wall and have like, if I have to watch something for, you know, I don't know how to do X or whatever, I can put it on that wall. I can put it on that TV and can watch it while I'm doing things. And I've got windows on each side, well, on 2 sides, and yeah, that bike needs to be cleaned. I know. I still need to put gas treatment in it and put it on the block, not the blocks, on the stands, and you know, fully put it away for winter. I was hoping for a couple more days of warm, but it's 30 degrees and I think I'm fully given up on that fact. But yeah, so that's the plan. If you want to send me anything, I think I want to get like a Yamaha banner and like a Subaru banner, but I don't know. Can't really have a big one because obviously like from here to here is It's like 3 feet, sort of. I don't know. I don't remember what it is. And you don't want to block the window with it, so I don't want to put it there. And then if I put a TV there, I can't have them there. So I need like a small little, like 3-foot, like Subaru and Yamaha banner. And then, yeah, fun stuff. So this is where, you know, obviously the project's going to go right there. And we're going to start tinkering away with it and finish it this winter and get rid of it next spring. But just a little update. It's obviously a little bit different than, I mean, it still has El Motorcycle in it, but it's not like riding footage, so it's a little bit different. But this is going to go in the Caferacer kind of scheme of things, because instead of where it was last year, it's going to be in here. And I need some flooring too, like some of that like inch or half-inch, whatever it is, like rubber stuff is going to go down. So if I spill oil or something on it, it's not going to matter. But it's just kind of like, oh, and the nice thing too, look, ta-da, I've got 2 doors. Edit that out, right? No, lock. There we go. So yeah, the ramp I need to figure out. I might just get some aluminum ramps, and then obviously the door handles are going to be the old shocks, which are, again, like I said, drying at the moment. And, you know, there's my battery tender, which I think is pretty much dead. I don't think that one works anymore, so I'm probably gonna have to get another one. But yeah, so that's the thing. That's the project. Or this is the shed. The LFM, the Livefreemoto. Live Free Motors? Live Free Motorcycles? Live Free whatever. And thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace.